I am going to be your Math 400 teacher if you sign up for me. So I wanted to take a moment to tell you a little bit about the course before you signed up for it and make sure it's a good fit for you. First off, it's asynchronous, which means that there's no class meeting times, and that essentially means that you're responsible for learning the content at your own pace within the means of the schedule that is set up for the course. Some students really enjoy it, some students struggle with it. Just to stay motivated, to be able to engage with the content is tricky, but it can be done. And know that I'll always be available for student hours, and if those times don't work for you, we'll find something that does work. Some other things about the course before you sign up is that I am going to do my best to have the orientation material out 1 week before the semester starts. I want you to have a chance to get to know your classmates, to get to know what's going to come in the course beyond just what we're talking about now, but also just to give us more time to work on the content. The next thing is that there's going to be a lot of discussions for the course. It's the only way that we can really engage with each other and the content. So that means that there's going to be a lot of writing of math. And there's ways to do that, and I have some videos for you, and you can always reach out for help and assistance on doing that. The schedule is set up so that you're doing math every day. There's going to be weekly quizzes and a weekly discussion, and then other things throughout the week, depending on the week that we're in. And so it doesn't mean that you have to follow the schedule exactly. It just means that by the end of that week, you should have that week's material done. The other thing is that you should be working at least 16 hours for the course. And that seems like a lot, but it's also because we're asynchronous. Some other things is I'm going to do this thing called Teach Me videos for the course, which is just that. I'm going to give you a prompt. It's only one problem, but you're going to have the time that you need to solve it, to figure it out, and then record yourself explaining how you would do that problem to a peer that's taking the course for the first time. The idea is to really just demonstrate that you know how to do that, that you can do the problem as well. And so you'll be graded on the correct answer and how well you explain it in your presentation in your presentation. Some other things is I've been usually utilizing Discord. I may switch it to Slack, but this is just a way that you can always message me or your classmates to stay engaged and connected on the content. Looking over my list of things I wanted to talk about, I think that's it. So just as a recap, that the orientation material is going to be a week out before the semester starts, so make sure that you're keeping an eye on Canvas and the emails from me. There's going to be discussions. I'm going to be available for student hours, but you are responsible for the content on your own. Be ready to work at least 16 hours a week, and there's weekly quizzes, and please teach me videos. Alright, so I hope to see you when the semester starts, and have a great rest of the semester and a great education and all. Later.